Hey everyone, today we're diving into a pair of headphones that are not just designed to deliver sound, but to transport you into a different realm, the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X. Imagine if you could close your eyes and suddenly be in the middle of a concert, a studio, or the heart of an orchestra. Sounds amazing, right?
Wait, are you saying that these headphones can teleport me to a concert hall without leaving my couch? Beam me up, Ben!
You got it, Tom. The Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X offers an audio experience so immersive you'll think you are right there with the musicians. Whether you are an audiophile, a music producer, or just someone who loves high-quality sound, these headphones are a game changer. And guess what? We have got a product link in the description box down below for the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X, along with all the other headphones we're going to compare it against, where you can find more information about these headphones, along with some possible discounts.
Now that's what I call ear candy.
And here's a fun fact to blow your mind. The DT 900 Pro X uses Beyerdynamic's new stellar 0.45 drivers to deliver high-resolution sound with stunning clarity. Stick around as we unveil everything you need to know about these incredible headphones. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Right out of the box, the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X feels incredibly sturdy. The build quality is top-notch with a mix of rugged plastic and spring steel in the headband. The ear cups are large, plush, and covered in soft velour, ensuring comfort during long listening sessions.
Oh man, they sound like they are built like a tank, but are they comfort?
Yes, Tom, despite their robust build, they are surprisingly comfortable. The clamping force is a bit high initially, but the soft velour pads help distribute the pressure evenly, making them suitable for extended use. However, some users might find them a bit tight initially, so it's a good idea to try them on before purchasing if possible. Let's move on to the technical specifications. The Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X is an over-ear open-back headphones, weighing 345 grams with a clamping force of 1.5 pounds. Beyerdynamics also offers a closed-back version of those who need more isolation. The DT 900 Pro X has an impedance of 48 ohms, a frequency response of 5 Hz to 40,000 Hz, and a sensitivity of 100 decibels. It features 45mm dynamic drivers and comes with a detachable mini XLR to 3.5 jack cables, available in 1.8 meters and 3 meters length. Additionally, it includes a nylon drawstring pouch and a 6.3mm adapter.
Wow, that's a lot of numbers. What does that mean for someone like me who just wants to listen to music?
It means you get a wide frequency range of detailed sound and decent sensitivity, so you don't need a powerful amplifier. The detachable cables add convenience, and with 48 ohms impedance, you can drive these headphones with most devices, though an amplifier can enhance the experience. Performance-wise, the DT 900 Pro X delivers excellent sound quality. They are designed for professional use, so you get a very clean and crisp sound with a neutral frequency response. This means they don't artificially boost bass or treble, making them ideal for mixing and mastering.
So, no extra bass for my party anthems?
Not really, Tom. These headphones aim for accuracy rather than enhancing any particular frequency. The bass is present and well defined, but not overpowering. The mids and highs are clear, providing a balanced sound that's great for critical listening. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pro. Number 1, it has excellent build quality, durable materials, and robust design ensuring longevity. Number 2, it's very comfortable with soft velour ear pads and adjustable headband for extended wear. Number 3, neutral sound signature, which is ideal for professional use in mixing and mastering. Number 4, the detachable cables, which are very convenient and can be easily replaced. It's repairable. Many parts are replaceable, enhancing the product's lifespan. Now, coming to the cons, number 1, it has high clamping force, which might be tight for some users initially. Number 2, it's kind of heavy, slightly heavier than some competitors, which can affect comfort. Number 3, it's not portable, it has a bulky design and doesn't have a folding mechanism, which make them less travel friendly.
Sounds like they are pretty solid overall, but what about if I want something that is a bit lighter or more portable?
Good question, Tom. Let's compare them with the AKG K702 and the Sony WH-1000X M5. The AKG-K702 is well built, but lighter due to more plastic. Its headband design might be more comfortable for some, with less clamp and force. Both offer neutral sound signature, but the DT900 Pro X has slightly better bass. However, the K702 is not very portable, which is similar to the DT900 Pro X. And by the way, we have a full video on the AKG K702, so if you're interested in watching this video, just click on that link above me right now. The Sony WH-1000X-M5 is more consumer-oriented, with a sleeker design. It's generally lighter and more comfortable for long-term wear. The WH-1000X-M5 enhances bass and has noise-canceling features, which the DT900 Pro X lacks. Additionally, it's more portable with a folding design and comes with a hard case. Also, you can watch our full review on the Sony WH-1000X-M5 in the link above me right now.
Looks like if I want the best sound for working on my tracks, I would go with the Beyerdynamics. But for casual listening and traveling, the Sony might be better.
Exactly, Tom. Each has its strength dependent on your needs. Finally, let's talk about the price to value. The Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X retails for around $220 and $280. Given its build quality, sound performance and comfort, it offers great value for professional use. The fact that many parts are replaceable means you can maintain them for a long time, adding to their overall value.
That sounds like a good deal, especially for something that's gonna last.
Absolutely. And don't forget to check out our full reviews on the AKG K702 and Sony WH-1000X-M5 to choose the best for your case.
Awesome. Thanks for breaking that down, Ben. Now I know which headphones to choose for my home studio.
Glad to help, Tom. And for our viewers, you can also find our video on the top 5 best studio headphones popped up for you on the screen right now. Check it out to know more about the top headphones in the market.
That would be it, folks. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Buy and Master for more reviews. See you in the next video.